Let's see our next inequality. We have rational inequality. It means first we have to find the domain. So let's check when this denominator will be 0. We have 8 times x minus 3 is equal 0. We can divide both sides by 8. So we have x minus 3 equal 0. So x equals 3. So our domain will be all real numbers excluded 3. Now we can come back to our inequality. Let me copy. We have 4 over 8 times x minus 3 is less than 0. We have 4 in numerator, 8 in denominator. We can reduce by 4. So it will be 2, 1. Let me copy this. I have 1 over 2 times x minus 3 is less than 0. So we see that numerator is positive. And we have to find when this inequality is less than 0. When this expression will be less than 0. Because numerator is always positive, we have to just check only the denominator. When 2 times x minus 3 will be less than 0 only. So what we can do next? We can divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. And we have x minus 3 is less than 0. I will move negative 3 to the right side, so we have x is less than 3. Now we can draw the number line x. We have 3. We have to find value less than 3. It means we have to go to the left side, to negative infinity, and because we have sign less than, it means 3 is not included. And also we know from the domain that 3 must be excluded. So now we can just write our interval will be from negative infinity to 3. So this is our solution.